cruising on the way to work, and you know, I'm put you right here. Yeah, I'm on the way to work right now, and I gotta show you. I love driving in the foggy weather. I mean, the ride, it just looks phenomenal every time, especially for photos. I mean, look at these stills. Today, I'm answering a question that got dropped in the comments section, and it's regarding the GTS Tail Lights. So let's get to that. Okay, so this question was asked by Sandor. Here's the question, and he had some questions regarding the wiring and if you can connect the two lights together. And that I think that's his question, is if you connect the two lights together, that may be a bigger part of the wiring process. I don't know that you can connect both of those lights together, both pieces together, because they function sequential, but they are plugged in different spots, right? Now, if you're running a pre LCI, there is an extra wire harness that comes in the package that you do need to keep an eye out for. Now, how do you tell if you have a pre LCI or LCI? You know, you have to do some research in your car, because nowadays the way BMWs are built, before you could tell with the headlights if your car are running on halogen, non-angel eyes, you know, these tail lights. If you don't have those headlights, you're probably running on an LCI or pre LCI. But nowadays, I mean, it's really hard to tell which BMWs are LCI and pre LCI. You mostly can tell with features, but nowadays BMWs kind of come like Legos, and people build them out of the dealership and they just upgrade, you know, and nowadays it's just really hard to tell. But all I have to say though is that when you order a system, the GTS Tail Lights package, it comes with an extra harness for pre-LCI, which means you're going to be running an extra wire from the trunk to the actual compartment to where to plug in the lights. So keep an eye out for that. If you want to reference a video, Kies Motorsports did a phenomenal video where they did pre and non-pre LCI vehicles and how to install it. I showed you guys how to install on a 440i Grand Coupe, because we have a hatch style type of trunk, rather than your traditional F30 trunk that just kind of spools out like normal. So that's why I want to make a video out of it. But anyways, I hope that answered your question, Sandor. And to all of you watching this video, thank you so much for just watching and being part of the community. I love answering comments, and again, your question may be featured on one of my videos. So drop a question, show some love. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you soon. I'll see you, family. All right, so really quick to preface, honestly guys, it's really hard to tell nowadays if you have a pre-LCI or LCI vehicle. The best way to go about it is to call a dealership and give them your VIN number and find out how it was built, because many times nowadays people just swap out parts and they convert it from LCI to pre-LCI or back and forth. It's all really a style preference, and it makes a big difference, because you may, you know, want to swap out your halogens for angel eyes with different LED patterns of lights, even your tail lights. I mean, I'm running on the GTS Tail Lights, so obviously I'm not running on the stock ones. So right off the bat, you have no idea whether this car particularly was an LCI or pre-LCI. So the best way to go about it, give your VIN number to the dealership where you got the car and just find out how it was built. And that could give you a good concept of what parts you currently have before you uninstall parts and you discover, oh crap, like the GTS Tail Lights, you have to run an extra wire, which takes more time. But anywho, guys, I just want to add that excerpt. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, we'll catch you next week.